Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fancy gown combo on Dress to Impress. This is the non-VIP one. Select this dress and then select only skirt. And then you can color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to color it, I'll do green. Maybe like this green. Oh, why did I even save it again? Then for the skirt, I'm going to use the skirt. And you can color it to whatever you want. I'll do like light silk here. And then I'm going to make the bow the same color actually. Then I'm also going to, oh, I forgot to get the other skirt. This one. In this color too. In, I think, a light silk. And then for the top, you can use whatever top you want for it. I'm just going to get, which top should I use? Let me see. This one. Without the bow, maybe. Oh, why did I say the color again? And probably just like all the same color, maybe without the gem and the details and the lace and the undershirt. But that is how you can create a fancy gown on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.